Girls, promise me you won't laugh.
You dey use your...
We won't.
You dey use your generator?
What happened?
Let's have it.
My ex almost rammed it down with his car.
Bad guy.
Oh, flex. Is he the one with road bumps on his face? I went from 10 to 0 seconds
Let's have it.
with my short skirt
Let's have it.
looking all hot.
Don't suffocate them.
Fam. Oh my God. My doors open helplessly to everybody look and see. Nobody could even help me off the ground. And then, why do girls don't like to beat to their tongues? Abba, why are you looking at me like this, you?
Do you keep your promise?
How don't I keep small promise?
The promise you made to me in the church, in front of the haste and the weakness.
Oh, Jordan. I was not talking about sticks.
Women.
That's not all you have in your own mind. But,
It is what it is.
This man!
Denied.
the Lord has not spoken.